hit this one, Miles. Great shot. Oh, it's a biggie.
Goes hard into the gap. That's 4. Bludgeoned. Dismiss it. What a good striker of the ball he is.
It's going to be exciting if he lasts long.
There he goes over the top for 6. What a great connection. Hitting it against the spin and doing it so easily.
The Roach puts your ticket there, coach. There's 6. Oh, it'll run away. Under edge. That is so frustrating for the bowler. The Wires, he's trying to find.
Goes the sun draws away, hits it over the infield, inside out right for 4. Putting on an exhibition of big shots there. 20 without a wicket, what an over. 4.
He's got pace. Pace is going to be used. So this was the last over. This was lack of pace under edge. That's frustrating. That was a really good slap.
Oh, what a shot over point for 6. Here he goes again. Oh, they're loving every bit of this. Oh, wow. Can you believe it? It's a shovel over cover. And it's landed over the rope and he's loving it. I think he likes that. Shahzad. Oh, that's gone for another 6. I think we're getting just a little bit tired watching this now because it's happening ball after ball. Gone for plenty. Slow ball once again will find the fence. I tell you what, it'd be a great penalty score in hockey because he doesn't use his shoulder, it's just wrist one. Pereira goes for another sky for 6. Wow! Yeah, absolutely. It's job done on
12. He's got it in him.
Yorker is hit into the gap and that's 50. Incredible stuff, really is one hell of an effort from him. He loves it.
The most spectacular innings that we might witness the whole time. Fastest 50 in this form of the game. And there's that hockey shot, there's that slap. Somebody stop that, no way!
Goodness. There he goes. Connection is outstanding. Almost hits the roof. 6 is gone. This is what the fans had come. Faster ball goes for another 6. That's hit the roof. That's out of there. Flies the ball. Comes out of the crowd. That's another sky. That's another 6. So much new. That's done and dusted. Job done in 4 overs. Can you believe it? Yeah, I think they are embarrassed as well.